In this tech clip, we will look into the Cloud Backup Search and Restore feature. Cloud Backup has introduced a new Search and Restore feature which enables users to search for a specific file from all the backups stored in Amazon S3 Cloud Storage and then perform a restore. It provides users with a quick and focused search for files across the backups in the cloud and gives option to narrow searches using multiple search criteria. The implementation has been done based on Snapdiff v3 with the full file system representation. The service scans for changes in the backups incrementally on working environments enabled for indexing and then updates AWS S3 storage with the changes and backup details. The Search and Restore solution has been developed using the native cloud technology, which is fast, lean, and cost optimized. Cloud Backup already provides you the option to browse and restore while doing a volume level or a single or multiple file level restore. But how is this different from the new Search and Restore feature? For restoring using Browse and Restore, a Cloud Restore instance needs to be deployed by Cloud Manager on the same subnet. This instance is used only to create the catalog for Browse and Restore. Let's look into the Cloud Backup Search and Restore benefits. The Cloud Backup enables us to search based on file name, file type, file creation time, file size, working environment, and local and cloud backups. It also allows us to search based on volume name. It can handle both local and cloud backups. It can handle newly created, deleted, and renamed directories and files. Please note that Restore is only supported on cloud backups, and there is no separate requirement for Cloud Restore instance. Now let's look at the requirements. One of the primary requirements is that Cloud Backup service should be enabled on the working environment. Looking at the ONTAP requirements, we should have ONTAP versions 9.8 or above. NFS protocol should be enabled. Snapdiff RPC server should be activated on the indexed storage VMs. This is automated by Cloud Manager. An online storage VM data lift should be set up. Finally, cloud permissions for Athena, Glue, and S3 has to be manually added for the existing connectors. Let's look at a quick demo to understand how to enable Cloud Backup Service Search and Restore feature. Log into Cloud Manager and click on Canvas. Choose the appropriate working environment. Upon choosing the working environment, you will be able to see the services that are applicable to the working environment on your right. To use the Search and Restore feature, make sure that Backup and Restore service is enabled. Under the Backup and Restore feature, click on View Restore Dashboard. This will take you to the Restore Dashboard page, which will give you the option to browse and restore and Search and Restore. To activate Search and Restore, enable indexing for at least one working environment. To enable indexing, click on Enable Indexing for Working Environments button. This will take you to the index settings for the working environments. Choose the appropriate working environment and click on Enable Indexing. As you can see, the Enable Indexing is in progress, and once it's done, it's made active. The Search and Restore functionality has now been enabled. Let's look at a demo on how to use Cloud Backup Service Search and Restore feature. Now to use the Search and Restore feature, go to the Restore Dashboard page. Under the Restore Dashboard page, click on Search and Restore. Upon clicking Search and Restore button, it will take you to Search to Restore window. Here within the search bar, you can search for a file based on its name or parts of the file name or the file path. You can also choose from where you would like to search from, whether you would like to search from all resources, files, or volumes. You can also filter by choosing a specific working environment if there are multiple working environments. You can filter by the file type, whether it's a JPEG, PDF, XML, or you can add the file type. You can also search based on the size range. Filter by creation date is also possible. You just have to give the from and the to date. And finally, you can search or filter by the backup location, whether it is in the primary or in the cloud. Now let's click for a specific file name and click on search. The search will result in showing us two resources which has the name file1, one belonging to the volume Engineering Vol 2 and the other belonging to the volume Engineering Vol 1. To get more information on the backups to which file 1 belongs to, click on View All Backups. This will show us a list of backups to which the file 1 belongs to. Here you can see two backups, one in the primary and one in the cloud. The restore button for the primary is disabled. This is because, as of now, Cloud Backup Service Search and Restore only supports restore from cloud backups. You can further filter the backups based on the backup date, the size, and the backup location. Now let's do a restore. Click on the backup on the cloud and then click on the restore button. Clicking on the restore button will take you to the restore window. Here it will give you the details of the backup where the file resides. Now choose the backup location, either the original location or an alternate location. Before we restore, make sure that the following folder path exists in the destination volume for each file being restored. Now click on Restore. In order to view the progress, click on Track Progress. This will take us to the job monitoring page where you can track the status of the restore job. As you can see, the restore job is in progress. Once the restore job is completed, the job monitoring dashboard will reflect the restore job as success. For more information, please visit the following links.